We have people that love their dogs and won't take care of their kids. I watch folks where they come out of Walmart, kids dirty, kids out of control, little bit of food in the cart, big old bags of dog food. Now, I might be misinterpreting the situation. That might have been their dog food run, and their grocery run might have been 2 buggies. I get that. I am an understander of the statistics are skewed easily. But I also worked at a state hospital for a long time. I've also been a pastor for a little while. I've also watched families, and the unfortunate fact of the matter is that dads and moms don't care as much about their kids as they do their hobbies and their animals.